Hello, I'm Jiew.
Hello, I'm Nan.
Hello, I'm Chompoo.
It is now popular among the young generation to create something by using the modern technology. One example, you can do it by yourself, the 3D hologram, by using your mobile phone.
Online, it just tell you to download the templates, cut, and put them together. But they don't actually tell you about how they come up with the formula. So we investigated.
First, we made an experiment. We have this object and this mirror. If we position the object in front of the mirror and make the mirror 70 degrees like this, you will see the image somewhere here and facing upward, like this. If you position the mirror and make 45 degrees like this, you will see the image somewhere here and facing you, like this. Yes, because of this, the perfect angle for this project is 45 degrees to make sure that the image is facing you.
Using the video that we got from YouTube, it uses only the square center of the screen. There are 4 images and there should be 4 reflections too. The perfect shape for this is pyramid. Put it like this and you will see the reflection. Online, they just tell you to download the template, but the template is just like this. It's too small, right? What if you want to make for a bigger phone like this, your tablet, or the bigger phone as big as this? How can we create a pyramid such that it can reflect 4 images and the image will somewhere here?
So we have to make a pyramid like this. First, let's identify what we know about this pyramid. We know this pyramid has 4 faces, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we know the size of the base of this pyramid is depend on the square center of the screen. In this case, it is 30 centimeters here. So now we know the size of the base of this pyramid is 30 centimeters, the same with our side here. Now we need to know the measurement of each triangle to cut them and put them together to make pyramid. By using our knowledge in trigonometry and geometry, we can draw the triangle in the center of the pyramid like this. We know the base of this triangle is 50 centimeters here because it is half of this side. And we must use this angle 45 degrees. And we can find this side and this side by use our knowledge in trigonometry by using the formula SOHCAHTOA. We can find this side by using tangent. And now we get this side now is 50 centimeters. And we can find this side by use cosine. We get this side now is 71.21 centimeters. And if we put it back like this and draw the triangle like this, we will know the highlight because this side here is the same. And we know the base is 30 centimeters. And we can find this side by using Pythagorean theorem. Here. And now we get this side now is 25.98 centimeters. We must cut 4 triangles like this to put them together to make pyramid like this. And just make sure the pyramid is 45 degrees.
Let's check.
This project is very interesting, especially for young kids like us. It is fun, but the real question here is how can we apply it into our life in terms of technology and industrial development? One application for this is visual advertising or product display. And this one is also product display. You can come here closer. Using the 45-degree principle, you can create a product display which looks so high-tech and appealing to people.
Just to make sure this angle is 45 degrees. Another application is for presentation. Nowadays, high-tech hologram presentation is being used by big companies. Imagine it is you presenting your product. It will be very interesting and not boring. Just make sure you set up here is 45 degrees clear screen on the stage.
like this setup, which is used by the big companies and can use for stage performance and concerts.
We hope you find our project interesting. Thank
Thank
you
you
very
very
much.
much.